Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you guys how to make the best homemade meatloaf. This recipe is moist, flavorful. This is the ultimate comfort food. If you would like to see it, keep on watching. Also be sure to like the video, comment, subscribe if you're new, and let me show you guys how I make it. All right, here are the ingredients. For this recipe, I'm using two different type of ground meat. I'm using ground pork and ground beef. Also, I'll be using some thinly sliced bacon. Here I have some French bread, and also we have ketchup, whole milk, yellow onion finely chopped with brown sugar. Also, I'll be adding in some seasoning for lots of flavor. I have Creole seasoning, salt, ground black pepper, paprika, and here I have parsley, minced garlic with some double U sauce. The measurement will be below. Be sure to check everything out in the description box. All right. Now here I have mustard and 1 egg. And also you'll need some extra virgin oil. Now in this mixing bowl here, I'll be adding in the bread. Next, I am going to pour in my whole milk in there. Of course, you can use any low-fat milk. Next, I'll be adding in 1 egg. Now we're going to give it a mix. Now I'm adding my double U sauce. Y'all know I always have trouble saying this word, but I'll just call it double U sauce. Next, I'm adding the parsley and also I'll be adding my onion. Make sure your onion are finely chopped. Now you can saute them before you add it to it. If you're not going to saute your onions, make sure you finely chopped them, okay? And then we can add in the rest of the ingredients. You can also add green bell pepper, red bell peppers into this recipe as well. I do have a recipe where I added all of those vegetables in the meatloaf, which I will leave down below. Check it out. Now y'all see me add the garlic. Now it's time for me to add the seasoning. Mix everything together just like so. Then we can add in the meat. I'm using two different type of meat. I believe the beef is 80% fat and the pork, I'm not sure, but it's up to you guys if you want lean beef or lean meat in general, or if you want full 100% fat meat. Then we're going to use our clean hand and mix it, all right? Once you're done mixing it, you can form the loaf. Now I'm adding some oil to my baking rack. Now I cook with my hands, as y'all can see. So I'm just going to use my hand and just spread the oil all over the baking dish. Then we can add in the meat and form the loaf. Okay, you're going to form it like a nice loaf, nice shape, okay? Once we form the meatloaf shape, we're going to add in the bacon. I'm using thinly sliced bacon. Then I am going to cut the edges. As y'all can see, it's a little too long. Then we're going to bake it on 350 for 30 minutes. After your 30 minutes is up, take it out and add the glaze to it. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make the glaze. I am using brown sugar, mustard, and ketchup. Also, I'll be adding in some tomato sauce. Now, I don't have tomato sauce, so I'll be using marinara sauce, which has more flavor, so why not? Before I do, I'm adding some garlic powder, and also I'll be adding some paprika. Then we can add in the marinara sauce. Okay, like I said, I do have another recipe down below. I'll say the basic way to make meatloaf recipe down below. Check it out if you don't want to go for this type of recipe, but this one was absolutely delightful. Now here it is after 30 minutes. I am going to apply the glaze onto the bacon. Y'all can see how it looks before. Then we're going to add the glaze. Oh yes, the glaze is everything. You need that. It gives you like a sweet and sour, more like not barbecue, but it has brown sugar and ketchup. It gives you that just tangy flavor with the mustard as well. Once you're done adding the glaze, you can put it back for about 15 minutes, then add the rest of the glaze. That's what I did. You can brush the rest of the glaze onto it. So after you put it back, just bake it for another 15 minutes. So it'll take you about 45 to 50 minutes for it to cook. Once it is done, this is what you have: a beautiful, glistening, shining, delightful, beautiful looking meatloaf. And let it rest for about, I'll say 15 minutes before you slice it, because I didn't let it rest. Okay, be sure to let yours rest. I'm just saving y'all the trouble. So here it is. I am going to try it for you guys as usual. Let me know down below if you're going to recreate this. Don't forget to tag us on Instagram. If you do, take a picture or post it online. Tag me on Instagram, Island Vibe Cooking. And yes, this was so juicy. The bacon fat covered all of the steam to prevent it from drying up. Oh, it was so good. Try it out. My daughter, she loves meatloaf, and I had to make this recipe. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys who take the time to click on this video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.